Welcome back everyone, Tina here, and in this video today I'm going to walk you through how to use and set up international automatic taxes. This feature will allow you to configure and apply automatic taxes, including VAT, across multiple countries and regions. This will help you to stay accurate and compliant within your checkouts. This automatic tax calculation is based on the customer's address, so the address they fill out when checking out the form, and the location of your business, meaning where you are tax liable. This feature works across all the checkout types, meaning it works for all the funnels, payment links, estimates, invoices, and e-commerce stores. And it works with all the payment providers. Let me show you how you can set this up. So to make sure you stay compliant and your customers are being charged the correct tax amount, you will have to set up the taxes under Payments on the left, Settings at the top, and then click on Taxes on the left. And then here you have two options. Option number one, include the tax in all the prices. If you wish to do so, select yes. That means, let's say you're charging $100 for your products, then there will not be any add-on. Let's say your tax is 10%, then the actual money you make is $90, and then the 10% tax, which is the other $10, are going to the tax man. These $10 are included in your $100 product price. Then you would just simply select yes. If you do not wish to include the tax in the price and you wish this to be listed separately, then your product price becomes $110 instead of $100 if the tax is 10%, for example. Once you've decided which one you want to go for, scroll down to the bottom and enable automatic tax calculation right here. Then you would need to make sure to read the terms of use. Once you've done that, check the box and hit save. Now, selecting the category here is optional. So you click the drop-down menu and select the category your business or the product falls under. Maybe you do accounting, auditing, accounting general, other, tax, admission. You just scroll through the list or simply search via this search box here and insert your keywords. Please note this is then the default category, and then the tax category that you set in the individual products will override this default category. Let's add Nexus address. And this is the address where your business is located, so the system knows how to calculate the tax, okay? So let's say you're in the United States, and then you can see here you have the drop-down menu and you can select by state, because every state has different tax laws, and the same for Canada. If you click the drop-down menu right here, you see 13 different states showing up here. For all the other countries, it's only country-based. Just for the USA and for Canada, you have different states you can select from. Now let me show you how the checkout looks like when we're using a payment link. So once the automatic taxes and your Nexus address are configured, taxes are going to be applied automatically based on the customer's address. So let's say somebody buys a subscription for $20, and here you have excluded the tax from the price. It will be listed right below. The standard tax here in this case is 20%, which means it's $6 of $30. You can see the total of 36% because this is based on somebody checking out from France. So therefore, in this example, a 20% VAT applies. Let's move on to invoices. This example is from Germany because in Germany there is 19% VAT. Here you can see the catering service, Sensible, breakfast one-time product. And right here you can see the different listings. Subtotal is 80 plus 19% on $80 is $15.20. And then the total amount would be $95.20. If a business tax ID is configured for a region, it is considered in the tax calculations as per local tax rules. Now let me show you how you can individually change those tax settings based on products. Click on Payments on the left, Products at the top, create a new product or select one that is available right here. Click the three dots on the right, click on Edit, scroll down to the Product Code section. And then here you can again select a tax category via clicking the drop-down menu and select your category. And then right here you can select for this particular product only, we are going to stick as per global settings. The one that I showed you at the beginning of this video, that were the global settings. This is the individual product tax settings. Or you just click yes, tax will be included in the purchase price for this product only. not for all the other products. So this will override the global settings, or no, it will not be included in the purchase price. Again, only for the individual product settings right here. Please note, if you don't configure any settings here, it will automatically fall back to the global settings. Now let me show you how you can migrate from the old US auto tax system. For this, we click Payments on the left and Settings at the top. Then click on Taxes on the left. Then scroll down to the Automatic Taxes section and click on the Reconfigure button. And this will only show up if you are on the old system. It will not show up if you haven't set this up before. Then click on Reconfigure. Then please read the guidelines and then click Confirm. Please note that you will have to set up taxes for every country and or state where you're selling products in order for this to work correctly. You can at any time edit your business ID as well as the Nexus address. In fact, it is encouraged to always update it to stay compliant. And remember, the feature is compatible with all the payment integrations. Other great news are you can bulk add countries and states for the tax calculation. Remember, this feature or the automatic tax calculation works based on 4 points: the customer's billing or shipping address, your company's Nexus address, the product assigned tax code, and any associated tax ID if applicable. Please note that the automatic tax calculation does not work in India. I hope you like this feature, and I will see you in the next one.